Good morning, students. Today we are studying no sooner than. Same question was there in this year board exam also. Here in this question, generally what happens? Two sentences are given. Two sentences are given, and obviously in those sentences, two incidents are there. So then, first incident happened, and after some time, second incident happened, or that incident takes place. Accordingly, we will have to arrange those sentences using no sooner than. So how it is arranged? First of all, see, in the beginning we have to take no sooner. What we have to take? No sooner. Then after that we have to take helping verb. First of all, we have to take the no sooner, and then second one we have to take the helping verb. But see, while taking helping verb, you should take care of one thing. According to the tense, we have to take it. Suppose simple present tense is given, so that in simple present tense, we have to take do or does. If I, we, they, you, these subjects are there, so then we have to take do. And if other than this, like third person singular, he, she, it, or any other name is given, then we have to take does. Accordingly, helping verb is selected. Then see, if sentence is given in the simple past tense, then we have to select did. But remember one thing again, after selecting did as a helping verb, you will have to write the main verb form of the main verb. It means V1 you will have to write. Actually, simple past tense, it means past tense of the main verb will be used. But when you are using did in the sentence, so then after that V1 is used. It means main verb form is used there. Now, just come to the example. With the help of example, we will just study it. And you should learn it very carefully. As I said, same question was there in this year. It means March 2020 board exam. You may have this kind of examples in your upcoming exam also. Like the question which is there in the exam, that's why we have to study. That's not the point. It's a language, and we have to learn all the formation of the sentences. See. Then here in the next sentence, first sentence we are studying. So then, as we discussed, there are two incidents. First sentence and second sentence. As we discussed the structure, first of all we will have to take the no sooner, then we will have to select the helping verb, then first sentence, then in the middle of that we will have to put than, and then we will have to take the second sentence. Now see here. So in the first example, two incidents are given. First of all, I am reading the example. As soon as he opened the window, see, as soon as he opened the window, birds flew away. See, two incidents are given here. What are these two incidents? He opened the window. Then second incident, birds flew away. So according to you, which incident take place first? He opened the window. Because before opening the window, birds can't fly out from there. So that's why this is the first incident. So according to the structure, we will move forward. First of all, we will write here answer, and then no sooner. Then we have to see the tense of the first sentence. He opened the window. It's a simple past tense. He opened the window, simple past tense. If simple past tense is given, so then as a helping verb, we will have to select here did. But again, remember one thing. If did you use, so then here it's a past tense of the main verb. We will have to use here V1. It means main verb form. No sooner did he open the window. See, no sooner did he open the window, then, so now, did we have taken, then first sentence we have written here, and after that we have to select here than. And then what's the next sentence? Birds flew away. This is your answer. So remember the answer once again. No sooner did he open the window than birds flew away. This is your answer. So while answering, be careful. Then come to the next. As they saw a tiger, they ran away. First of all, identify the tense. They saw a tiger, they ran away. Obviously, it's a simple past tense. Then, as we use here did, so then remember one change here. So we have to change the verb form just first sentence. We kept here birds flew away as it is. Same thing will happen here also. So first sentence, they saw a tiger, because that will be your step. First step will be there to identify two sentences, and then second thing you will have to identify which incident takes place first. So then here they saw a tiger, that is the first incident. They ran away, this is the second incident. So then answer we will write. First of all we will take here no sooner. Then helping verb, obviously simple past tense, it means did we have to write. No sooner did they. Now did we have used, so that's why saw will become see, because did is given, that's why main verb form will be used there. After that they see a tiger. Then after that we have to take here than, and second sentence will be as it is, no change. Did you get it? In this way you will have to solve these all examples. Then come to the next. Teacher entered the class, students stood up. See, answer simple past tense, that's why we will have to start our sentence with no sooner. No sooner. Then helping verb according to the tense, simple past tense, that's why we have to take did. Then no sooner did teacher enter. See, here entered, then we have used here did, that's why only enter. Enter the class, and after that we have to take here than students stood up. In this way you will have to write down the answer. Then come to the next answer, or identify the sentences. As soon as he hits a ball for a 6, everybody cheered. Then see, he hits a ball for a 6, everybody cheered. Okay, or we will do one thing, we will just write the same sentence into the same tense. Everybody cheers. See now. So begin your sentence with no sooner. No sooner does. Why does we have used here? Because third person singular and yes is added to it. Simple present tense. And if main verb is there and yes is added, yes is added to the main verb, so then you will have to take does. Otherwise simply you go for the do in simple present. No sooner does he hit a ball. Now remember, here did was there, that's why we are taking V1. Now does we have taken, so that's why we have to remove yes from the main verb. He hit a ball for a 6. Then everybody cheers. In this way we will try. Then come to the next similar kind of example. It is as soon as he wakes up, he washes his face. See, first incident, he wakes up, then he washes his face, that's the second incident. So then answer will be like this: no sooner, then obviously does, no sooner does he wake up than he washes his face. That's all. So while converting these examples, be careful, you should not miss it in any case. This question was there this year in board exam for 2 marks. So similar kind of examples you may have in upcoming your exams also. Thank you.